This is part one of a demonstration of Cyberdeck's Accounts Payable Module, APM for short. If you're a production accountant in the TV or movie industry, this is the tool for you. It's designed to help you organize all those PDF documents flying around your desktop, invoices, purchase orders, tracking sheets and the like. There's more details on our products page on our website. What we're not doing is replacing your back-end accounting system or your approval process. This is very much a user-friendly drag-and-drop front end to visually manipulate these documents, auditing as it goes, leaving the back-end systems to do what they do best. Let's see how it works in practice. I'll start by double-clicking this handy desktop icon. I know there's a lot of boxes here, it's a bit daunting at first, but let me take it bit by bit. I should also say that not everyone will need all these sections, particularly smaller productions. Yes, there are fixed rules about how documents flow through the sections, but it's very easy to move stuff quickly straight through a section you don't need. The basic flow here is invoices, purchase orders, the matching of these together for approval, payment, processing, leading to checks, written advice documents, eventually ending up as paid. Let me first enlarge it a bit, leaving a bit of space to the left, since that's a conduit to import and export. Right here, for example, I have a folder of purchase orders that have been generated by one of our back-end systems. They might have been given to me by memory stick, emailed to me, or sitting in a shared folder of some sort. All I do to import a file is drag it into this section. I probably looked at it earlier, but if not, I can right-click, open. If I've got Adobe Acrobat installed, this will let me edit the PDF there and then, perhaps to add stamps or a transaction number. You can see we're working on a great low-budget blockbuster, Accountants Assemble. Heck, Season 1 went so well we got renewed. So here's our first PO, 901, the main set by well-known chippy Bob the Builder from Birmingham. Let me drag a second PO in. Have a look at that, and this is our location catering. So as I record these new purchase orders in my back-end accounting system to get that transaction number, I can move them from this first section here to the entered POs by dragging the files like this. The move reminding me I'm basically moving files from one section to another. This is just as if I dragged and dropped between folders. Think of each of these sections as a folder on your desktop, if you like, under control of APM. I can rename a document, help identify what's what. Also, I can click on these columns at the head of each section to sort by the name, when added, how long they've been there, etc. Let me just do the same for that second PO. Now let's move on to invoices. Here's some new ones. I just happened to match those two purchase orders that I received some weeks ago now. So same idea, to get them into the new invoices. By the way, if I'm running an email system such as Microsoft Outlook, I can drag attachments straight from the incoming email into this section. And this time, I'll do two at once. Again, I boldly imported these files in without looking at them first. So let's take a look. Yes, I've got one from Class C Caterers. Looks good, matches the PO. As does Bob's. So I might stamp them on PO as well as received, perhaps add a coding block in my favourite program, Adobe Acrobat. That's the end of part one.